I have to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna be sick in my stomach.
What was that?
I'm gonna be sick in my stomach.
For what?
I don't know. I've been sick for days. I don't know if it's the food or eating or what.
Are you using the bathroom out here in public, or?
I did earlier because people are pissing me off in the stalls. The kids are making all this racket at night. They're making me shit myself in my diaper. They're doing it on purpose. It's an ongoing thing.
Okay, well, you can't be using the bathroom out here in the middle of the parking lot. People are complaining.
Well, they always complain.
I know, but that's
They complain about everything. If it's not that, it's about me. They say stupid. They say stupid girl. It's not about the bathroom. It's about me, my smell, my car, my music. It's about everything, officer. Can't you understand anything? And if it's not that, no, I'm not going to calm down. You know why? Because they're using my debit card now. The sheriff from your fucking place is using my debit card. Tonight I'm going to use my debit card.
Okay, I know nothing about that. I'm just here about something else.
She used $642. I have it right here.
Okay, have you called and made a complaint about that?
I don't have a phone because it got up from the guy at the library. There is so much shit I got to tell you. There is bullshit on top of bullshit tonight. Let me tell you something. You guys have got to get your shit together. I have had it.
Palm Beach County, a parking lot. A woman who has been living in her car for months and has decided the rules of public space no longer apply to her. On this night, Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputies respond to a complaint about defecation in a commercial parking lot. What they find is not a quick call. The subject is living out of her vehicle. She has been here long enough that the property owner wants her gone. She has also, by her own admission, been using the parking lot as a bathroom. The officer gives her a clear path out, clean up, move on. No arrest, no citations at this point. She declines every off-ramp offered. She is also refusing to identify herself. Under Florida law, a person is not required to provide ID unless lawfully detained. But that changes depending on what officers observe next. And what they observe, parked right beside her head, is a pair of scissors, an ordinary object. In this context, it becomes the charge that changes everything.
Okay.
And don't you dare arrest me, because I'm going to roll this window up and I'm going to have it. And if I lose this decal in my car, I can't. My father's not heard from me for months now. There's been no phone calls to him. He does not know what the is going on. He doesn't even know. I haven't seen a psychiatrist in months. You know I've not seen a psychiatrist since December?
Since December?
Yep.
Okay. Do you need to go to the hospital to talk to one? Or?
Perfect. Let's go to a hospital. I still have meds.
Okay, I'm just worried about you.
Perfect. Let's go to a hospital, officer.
Would you like to go to a hospital?
Hell no.
Okay.
What should we go to a hospital?
Because you said you haven't talked to somebody in a couple months, so I'm just offering that service to you.
All I gotta do is go to Sahadio.
Okay.
Jesus.
I'm just offering you a service. You're
Every time
complaining about I'm just trying to help you.
You know what they do at JFK? They
What do
send
they do?
me back. Or we go to St. Mary's. You know what they do? They send me to what's that place called? Port St. What's it called? I'm thinking of that person that is using my card. She went to where's Delray? Is that north or south? She's using my card.
Delray South.
All right. This person from your deputy's office is going south. She's using Boynton Beach. She's using. Sorry, I get so aggravated. That's when I'm in distress. I go like this. I get pissed. Listen, she's using it, and she's using the dollar store out this way. She's using a whole bunch of 5 Walmarts in a day. I had to rip up my card a couple days ago. I have had it.
Okay, you don't need to yell at me.
I'm not yelling at you. I am angry.
Okay.
I've had it. She used
I've been very calm with you. You don't need to yell at me.
$42.
Okay.
So I don't know why people complain about a little in the parking lot. I never do that.
Well, that's very indecent. That's why people are complaining about
Well,
it.
I was behind my door. I do that at nighttime. Oh, we got to complain about that too? Oh, I'm sorry. What am I supposed to do? Hold on. Am I supposed to shit in here? Oh,
well, there's tons of other places besides the middle of a parking lot.
There's no place to go in the middle of the nighttime.
There's tons of other places. You're doing it in the middle of the day.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm tired. I don't feel good. I haven't eaten all day. Do you realize that? I'm diabetic. Do you know I've been throwing up at night in here because people are smoking so much? And there's prostitution going on down here. Do you know that around here?
Oh, I'm sure there is.
Oh,
I
no.
believe you.
The Joe Blow is always going back there from Publix. Do you know the that goes on around? There's a
I believe you.
No, officer. There really is. I'm not joking.
I said I believe you. I'm not saying you're joking.
I
believe
I
you.
may be diabetic.
There's a lot of homeless around here. I believe you. Do you have any ID on you? That way I can just know who I'm talking to?
No, I'm afraid you'll take me in.
Take you in? Just by looking at your ID?
No, you're not going to have my ID.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just asking.
No, you don't need to have my ID because you'll take me in.
That's not true, but okay.
No. My
Okay.
ID's locked up. I don't know where it is.
That's fine.
My purse has been stolen.
That's fine.
So it's gone. I'm
2-2.
sorry,
Can you just
it's
run the
gone.
RO? Possibly signal 20.
Yeah, you're looking for it.
Looking for what?
You're looking for that ID.
No.
Sorry,
not at all.
that ID's out of
Okay,
date.
so do me a favor. So defecating in public is illegal. I do not want to arrest you, okay? I'm telling you this right now. So please, don't
What about
let them,
peeing?
don't,
What about peeing or changing your
doesn't
shirt?
matter. You're defecating in public. That is illegal. Peeing, pooping, doesn't matter what it is.
What about changing a shirt?
Changing a shirt.
Yeah,
What do you
they
mean?
complain about that too?
I haven't had any complaints, but if somebody sees you, that's indecent exposure.
Oh my god, so everything's illegal.
Yeah, so
for
just try to
taking
not do
meds-
it in the
for
middle
taking
of,
meds or brushing your teeth, that's illegal too?
no, not at all.
Okay.
So just
What
try
if
not
you're
to do
cleaning
anything
yourself?
illegal in public.
What if you're cleaning your armpits? Is that illegal too?
No, not as long as somebody doesn't see you indecently exposed.
Okay. So if you're cleaning your legs, because the men get all upset, they're like, she's cleaning her legs again. I'm like, I'm not doing anything. Like, she's cleaning her
Well,
legs.
you're also littering all over their parking lot.
Well, I'm pissed off. That's a sign that.
Well, that doesn't, being pissed off doesn't mean
Well,
you
I
can
do usually
break laws.
I usually do pick up after myself. You do realize that, right?
I don't, because there's stuff all over here and there's stuff all over
Well,
there.
I'm pissed off. And I'm trying to go. Now you're pissing me off. I have.
I'm pissing you off, why?
Because I gotta go to the bathroom and you're giving me a money and I don't have to interfere. I've been sick with the sinus infection since July, so. And I
Okay,
don't have any
well-
sort of Medicare, Medicaid. And
I understand you're going through a lot right now.
No, you don't.
I've tried to offer you certain resources, you're declining them. There's not much more I can do for you, but like I said,
And your officer, I told, some guy tried to offend me earlier, and I told one of your officers, he said, go away, we don't want to help you. It was a Mexican guy. This little head, he pissed me off. He goes, go the f*** away. Honestly, what the f*** is wrong with your officers?
okay, do me a favor, clean up your mess and then go somewhere else, because they don't want you here, okay?
They don't want me here, why not?
Because you're making a mess everywhere.
So where do I go?
Somewhere. This is private property. This isn't open to the public.
Well, where am I supposed to go? There's no place else to go. They kicked me off every property.
Well,
They just want me to stay in the real road?
They don't want you here. That's all I'm telling you. This is their property. You're leaving it a mess everywhere. You're defecating in public. They do not want you here. So if you can clean up your mess and then go somewhere else, that's what they would like.
Well, I'll just stay in the middle of the road then. I don't know what to do. You're going to have to arrest me. I don't know what to say. Because I don't know. Unless I just clean it up and be behaved. I don't know. Because I don't know where else to go. I don't know where else. There's no place else to go.
You can find another parking lot, go
Well, when's the next
to
time?
park or something else, but
When's the next time you're going to usher me out of there too?
ma'am, there's only so much I can do for you. You're gonna have to figure out your own life. I can't tell you how to live your life and where to go and
Well, why do
everything
you keep
else.
ushering me out of the parking lot?
This is the first time I've ever met you, ma'am.
The
So I'm
last
not
one they asked me out to, the other one they
okay.
did too.
Well, because you keep leaving messes in these parking lots and they don't want you here. That's why. So if you stop leaving messes in here, then they might not kick you out of their parking lots.
Are you sure it's that, or are you sure it's because I've been here so long?
It's probably a combination of multiple things, but I'm sure the main part that they called us is because you're defecating in their parking lot.
Well,
Which
who called?
It doesn't matter who called. So if they have customers showing up to their store and they see a lady pooping and peeing in the parking lot, that's going to affect their business,
Oh, that woman. Ooh.
right? So,
I
and there's
know what
trash
it's
all over the place. If I pull up and I see poop and pee on the parking lot, I'm not going to want to come to the store either.
I diluted it with bleach.
Man, there's diapers and toilet paper all over the place.
Where am I going to go? There's no place for me
Okay,
to go.
so do me a favor, clean up your mess, and then head out.
Where? Are you
Wherever you want, just
I
not
can't
here.
go that way. I
Ma'am,
can't go that way.
wherever you want, just not here. You're a grown adult. I can't tell you where to go, but just not here, okay?
I don't have a phone to say which way to go. I don't know anything. There's no place for like a Publix or...
Okay, like I told you, I can't tell you where to go, but you
Well,
have to
then
leave
I'm
here.
sorry. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to do.
Okay? Make sure to clean up your mess, please.
I don't know what to say because I don't know.
Officers regroup. She has rolled up her window and will not engage. She is honking the horn. She is not complying. The welfare check has just crossed into something else. The senior officer makes the call, pepperball deployment. Not immediately, after announcements. Not blindly, targeted door seams and windshield vents. The plan is deliberate, documented, and justified. Florida Statute 843-1, resisting an officer with violence, does not require that anyone be struck. Honking a horn to interfere with a lawful command, combined with refusal to exit, qualifies. That is a third-degree felony. 4 announcements. Blue lights on. Multiple officers in position. The supervisor is ensuring every procedural box is checked before anything happens. This is not a rushed call.
Hey, she does have a pair of scissors right by her head. You see it?
Where?
Right by her head. Back left.
Yeah.
Who knows what else is in this car? But she's so all over the place.
Put the earbuds in.
So what's she doing? Just refusing to come out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I guess
I tried playing nice, and I told her, I said, listen, clean up your mess and just leave. They don't want you here anymore. And she started screaming and all this other stuff, so I went back to the car to try to run her because she refused to give me her ID. And then she closed her window, and then when I came up and knocked, she started screaming and then just blared the horn. So she defecated all over the parking lot.
for her.
Tried washing down with bleach. When I first made contact, her window was down.
Alright, make sure our blue lights are on.
Super
How
red.
many announcements have we given?
I just tried knocking on the window.
Okay.
So we haven't made any announcements yet.
No, I want him to be in position because I don't want her to be able to hop this curb and kill
But I'm
anybody.
saying when we come to it, are we going to do the passenger if she's on the driver's side?
No, because we're gonna put the pepper ball. Get right up on her so she has no room to wiggle out of there. So here's the way. This car's not like kind of an old car. It's not really have good seals. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the pepper ball after we make plenty of announcements. So there's no indication and everybody knows we're a plant. She can't say that she didn't know what we're doing. We're gonna paint that pepper ball right up and down the door seams and then right into the windshield, right into the vents. She ain't gonna be able to handle being in that car.
You think it'll make entry through there?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh.
So I'll just put
Because
the
the car
40 back in
breathes.
my car then.
Alright, yeah, so I'm making announcements.
It's the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Step out of your cars with your hands up. Do it now.
Shaking her head
Louder,
no.
just be louder.
Shaking her head no.
This is the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Step out of your car with your hands up.
Hey, you gotta get a little louder.
Your safety is
Use your
our
big boy
most
voice.
important. It's my mic.
Loud.
It's
Yeah,
my mic.
don't-
This is the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Step out of your car with your hands up. Your safety is our most important.
She's moving a bunch of stuff around.
She's still saying
Hey,
no?
she does have
She's-
a pair of scissors by her head.
She's just moving stuff around.
Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
Saying no, she's
Step out of
She's
your
not shaking
car.
her now.
Your safety
Watch
is
yourself,
our
guys.
most important.
Come out of the car! Put your hands up and come out!
Amy, if
Yeah,
you
you
don't
do.
come out of the car, we will force you out to the car. Come out now before somebody gets hurt.
Pepper ball. You're good.
Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Step out of your car now before somebody gets hurt. Force you out of the car. Do it now.
Come out of the car!
It'll take a second for it to breathe in there.
Hey, hit the front windshield too. At the
Like
base.
right at the base, right where so the powder goes right in. Yeah, see, it's getting real uncomfortable.
Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Step out of your car now.
Pepper balls deployed. We're letting the powder work on the car. It's starting to get uncomfortable for her in there, so she should be out here shortly. Give her more.
Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Step out of your car. You will not be hurt. Step out of your car. We are here to help you.
I'm trying not to.
Step out of your car.
Wait, I'm
Put your
gonna move
hands
my
up.
car for
We
cover.
are here to help you. We are here to help you. Your safety is our most important.
I got more in the car.
Hold on. Here, try to go around.
Hey! Get out of the car! Get out of... Get out of the car! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get out of the car. Get on the ground.
All right.
Get on the ground. Do it now.
Why are you being so aggressive?
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stop fucking baby. Stand up.
Why'd you have to do it to me?
We gave you plenty of options not to do that to you. We did not want to do that to you. You forced us to do that to you.
The pepper ball enters through the door seams. The powder fills the cabin. The officer who designed this plan knew exactly what he was doing. The car's old seals would not hold. She still does not come out immediately. Even with chemical agent deployed, she continues to resist. At this point, she has made 2 felonies out of a parking lot complaint. When she finally exits, she goes to the ground. Officers secure her. The scissors she never threatened anyone with are now Exhibit 1 in an aggravated assault charge. Under Florida Statute 784.21, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill is a third-degree felony. The scissors do not need to have been raised or swung. Presence plus context is sufficient. She asked the officer why he had to do it. He told her they gave her plenty of options. She forced their hand. That is not a dismissal. That is an accurate legal and factual summary of the last 15 minutes. 2 third-degree felonies. Up to 10 years in prison per count, 5 years probation, $10,000 in fines. That is the sentencing exposure on a call that began with a parking lot cleanup request. The officers get an A. They offered resources first. Hospital, social services, they documented the scene. They made 4 loud announcements before deploying any agent. Under Graham versus Connor, every escalation step holds. The subject gets a D. She had multiple exits from this situation. She refused everyone. She retained a lawyer-shaped right, the right to say nothing and leave, and used neither half of it. The lesson here is simple. The moment a welfare check becomes a refusal to comply with a lawful order, the legal exposure changes. Misdemeanor conduct plus resistance equals felony charges, every time. If you want more body cam footage, the calls that escalate in ways no one planned, hit subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should be? We will see you in the next one.
Let me turn off my car, please.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
Huh?
Put your hands together like you're praying. It'll make it more comfortable.
What'd you guys do? That was awful. You gotta turn off my car at least? Oh. You can get me my shoes.
Have a seat. 2-4, 10-4, you can start them.